Welcome to the SR Capital YouTube channel. In this video, you will discuss about the important rulers of the Mughal Empire. The important Mughal rulers were Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan and Aurangzeb. Babur, the first Mughal emperor, ascended the throne at Fargana in 1494. He was thrown out of his hometown by Uzbeks. He carved out a fresh territory for himself in Kabul in 1504. The unstable political situation in India after Sikandar Lodi's death and an invitation from Daulat Khan Lodi, the governor of Punjab, encouraged Babur to attack India. At the First Battle of Panipat in 1526, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi, and established Mughal rule in India. Humayun. After Babur's death, Humayun succeeded his father in 1530. To sustain imperial power and hegemony, Humayun had to fight against the Afghans both in the east and the west. The Afghans united under the leadership of Sher Khan, who was popularly known as Sher Shah Sur. Sher Khan ruled from Sarasam in modern-day Bihar. They captured Gaur, the capital of Bengal. Sher Khan defeated Humayun first at the Battle of Chausa in 1539 and then at Kannauj in 1540. Humayun fled from India and sought refuge in Persia. With the help of Persian king, Humayun conquered Kabul and Kandahar and captured Delhi and Agra. He re-established the Mughal rule in 1555 but died in 1556, leaving behind his minor son Akbar. Akbar was only 13 years old at the time of Humayun's death. After his coronation in 1556 CE, Akbar tutor Behram Khan took over as regent. He became the Wakil of the kingdom with the title of Khane Khana. He became powerful while ruling in Akbar's name. Two major sources which provide information about Akbar's period are Akbarnama and Ain Akbari, written by Abul Fazl, one of the 9 jewels, Navratans. Jahangir, son of Akbar, came to the throne after Akbar's death in 1605 CE. He was known for his impartial justice to his people, irrespective of their religious faith. He continued Akbar policy and earned respect from all spheres of the society. During Jahangir's time, European traders had started coming to India. In 1608, Captain William Hawkins, a representative of the East India Company, came to Jahangir's court. Shahjahan. After his father's death, Shahjahan or Prince Khurram ascended the throne in 1628. He faced two major revolts during the early parts of his rule by Khan Jahan Lodi and by Junjhar Singh of Bundelkhand. There was famine and plague in large parts of Gujarat, Khandesh and Deccan, in which thousands of people died. Abdul Hamid Lahori described in his accounts the strategies adopted by Shah Jahan to control situation of famine and plague. Aurangzeb, the next Mughal ruler, had three rival brothers, so his accession to the throne was not smooth. He killed his brothers, imprisoned his father Shah Jahan and crowned himself at Delhi, assuming the title of Alamgir. He ruled for 50 years till his death in February 1707 in Ahmednagar. During his reign, Aurangzeb was able to annex Bijapur and Golconda. Under his rule, the borders of Mughal Empire spread out further than ever before. He reintroduced jizya tax on the Hindus and demolished many temples, especially in politically volatile regions. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe.